Prince KB has warmed hearts across South Africa after offering to help Nokuthula, a retrenched woman who now works as a Takealot delivery driver, to make ends meet. Nokuthula shared that she switched from using a car to an electric scooter to reduce her fuel cost from 400 to 150 a day, allowing her to complete more deliveries. Moved by her determination, Prince KB reached out and asked how he could support her hustling. Nokuthula explained that the scooter she bought has serious mechanical problems and that she is currently renting another one while still paying off the faulty bike, adding that any contribution towards a reliable replacement would mean the world to her. The musician's kind gesture earned widespread praise online, with many social media users applauding him for using his platform and resources to uplift hardworking South Africans. Thanks a lot for watching this video until the end. Please do consider leaving your thoughts down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.